Hi everyone, I just arrived at IKEA and it's gonna be a shop with me and I'll show you what's new if I notice what's new. So let's go shopping. Okay, so I'm back in the car and I bought a few things. I bought something that I wanted to buy for a really long time actually, and I finally bit the bullet and have it. It's an organizational item, but you'll see it. I'm gonna do a mini haul when I'm home. I also have some things for my brother, a few, so I'm gonna then make it clear what's for me, what's for him. Some of the things we already know, and we had to buy more. There were actually a few things I needed and he needed, but IKEA didn't have in stock, which is kind of sad because we're going to him tomorrow evening. So yeah, it's a shame, but I got some good stuff I think. So I'll show you when I get home. I need to drive and hope I don't get stuck in traffic. So yeah, see you in a bit. Okay, so you would have seen like what's new in IKEA, or like what was new to me or interesting to show, and I want to share with you what I actually bought. Starting off with the biggest thing, which is the rolling cart. This one, I don't know how it's called, but I think everyone knows it by now. So I'm already using it and I think I'm going to really enjoy it. Then I have a couple of things for me and my brother, like I mentioned, but I'll just show you one by one what I have. First up, we have some cleaning sponges. I want to see if they're any good because I have heard people like talk about them, but I want to kind of see if they're worth it. But to be honest, they were like, what, 90 cents I think for 3. So in the end, they're very cheap. One pack for me, one for my brother. Then I have a fake plant. I'm pretty sure he already had one like that we bought together. So I got one for myself. And to go with that, I bought 2 like plant pots. So I already have one fake plant which you just can't see, and it is this one. This one's from East, but I know IKEA has a very similar one. So I think I will add the pot, because it was without the pot for a very long time. And this one will get the white pot, just like that. So that's the next thing I got. To use, oh actually this one is a bit dirty, which I didn't notice. Let's hope it comes off. These are to put on the cart I have, or the rolling cart. Whether it's gonna be at the front or at the side, I don't know yet, but it's gonna be like extra storage. Like I saw people use it for like pens and stuff. What I will have there, we will find out, because I don't know yet. But I got 2, they were like, I think €1 each. I'm noticing that a lot of majority of the stuff I bought is actually white. That's a coincidence. Then I got some napkins, just basic white ones, 50 of them in a pack. These are like a smaller format. Again, I got one for my brother because I doubt he has any napkins. So I got him 1 pack as well. I was actually going to buy him, for him, some containers that we got some of, but he wanted more of. But IKEA didn't have the size that I needed. So I thought to try these out. He has like it's like a storage room slash a bit of a pantry slash where the washing machine is. And on the shelves there, I thought these could work very well. They were also like €2 or maybe €2.51. So I thought I'm just gonna get 2, see if he likes it, if we have use for it, because they look like they would fit on the shelf perfectly. I also got some kitchen towels. We were gonna buy some last time when we were in IKEA, but the ones I was like checking out were feeling very weird and like fake. This one's 100% cotton, so I got a pack of 4 for him as well, and a very neutral patterns and colors, so he will not he will definitely like it, I mean. Then I got this set of bamboo containers, smaller and a bigger one. I got one of this for my brother, and I saw it, how it looks, and I was like, I kind of want one myself as well. I'm thinking to use the bigger one for all of my makeup in the bathroom. Currently I have it in 2 containers, and it's not the handiest, I think. So I will try to put all of it in the bigger one, and the small one we'll kind of see what's gonna end up in it. Then I have these, how do you call them? The sushi sticks? That's not how you call them, but chopsticks. Chopsticks, I think that's how you call them. I only like had sushi twice in my life so far. And last time I bought it and I didn't have any, so I had to take those. Like one-time use ones, but they were not very handy to use, definitely when you don't know how to use them properly. And these were €1 for 4. So I just got this pack, and yeah, I hope they're fine. And some last items. This foil or like mat for in your drawers on a roll. I got 2 rolls. We bought one when he was moving, and he said he needs some more, so I picked up 2 rolls for him. And then same with these containers. We bought 1 set together, and he said he would use 2 more, so I picked that up as well. And this bag, by the way, I also picked up last, like not yesterday, but last time I was there. Also from IKEA. It's very nice, and it was like €2, which is, with my IKEA, it was exactly when you enter like one of the first baskets. So I think it's a nice color and design. Okay, so that was my like mini IKEA haul. within this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed coming along to IKEA with me and me showing you around kind of what is there. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye!